What up, what up, what up? We back. Sound like Mikey Mike, you feel me? But guess what? Today, we're wiring up a radio because what's the point of having a race car if you can't listen to music? I'm trying to hear some jams and tunes in a car that I can't even think properly. So, we're gonna see if we can get her done.
In the car, shining stars, shifting hard, yeah. Pop clutch and I'm sliding on. Waiting shit that you know what we on, yeah. Been in cars and we gone, running light from the sun. Wax up like my baby, louder than a gun when I slide through. Catching all the smoke like I roll too. Cause you know that they be hating too, but we just keep on building up, we bulletproof, yeah.
So far, I've already made my base plate for my radio. Already got it mounted. It's a little ghetto. Don't worry about these long hardwares. I'll put the proper ones, you feel me? But it's in there as mock-up purposes and see if it actually works and the car don't catch on fire. So, we got that done on both sides.
There we go.
Color is this. I got it on both sides. I got my pigtail. Got my grounding cable that I'm gonna run from the back of the car to the front of the car. Got the radio somewhere around here. Oh, it's right here. I got the radio in my little handy dandy 1985 clapped out, missing a clip looking head ass holder. Feel me? But it looks nice. It's a little cheapo radio, cause you know I don't care about all the sounds. I just want a little bit of sound. You feel me? Alright, we'll pick you back up when we got shit on the roll. Hopefully we don't burn this down. Deuces.
That's going in the video, dog.
Good. Cause I low-key forgot about that.
Well, Josh is over here. Now you can see Josh over here, you know, molesting the car interior, trying to get this basura plugged in so that we can hook up these tiny little speakers that no one will actually ever hear when the car's turned on, but we'll pretend that we could hear like Lil Wayne playing or something.
Yo, for real.
Better than nothing. Don with tomato. But yeah, alright, we'll hit you back when we're done.
Do the other side.
So, update, it's dark, nighttime, you know. Ta-da. It's the moon. It's the moon up there. We're not done yet with the wiring for the... There's mosquitoes out here. We're not done with the wiring yet for the speakers. Josh got everything ran through from the back, from up under the seats all the way back here. There was some difficulties with a amp and a fuse and things not oh yeah, so we'll come back when it's all finished. You almost done, right? You just got you gotta hook up the things now.
I just need these.
Oh my god, he's a dragon. He's a dragon these nuts on you.
Boy!
Boy.
Alright, this side. We got power and ground.
Voila.
Shut that wrap another day.
FYI, for anyone watching, we're getting absolutely destroyed by mosquitoes. I don't think y'all can see these little fuckers, but they can see us.
It's the light, man.
It is the light. I hope my blood tastes like Modelo.
Like Modelo?
Get drunk.
Sound like Medusa.
Medusa.
Alright.
boy. Look at that ugly ass dog. What you doing?
Get him, Sully.
What you doing? Oh, I'm being attacked.
Get him, Sully. Get him.
Josh bent over in a suggested position.
He just passed his PE exam.
We got static. Yo, why does this look so cinematic? I feel like you're about to get killed in your own car.
Oh, hold up, bro. You don't have the front lighting. When we load you up with that front lighting.
At the dawn of time. Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck. Inside that, on that paper,
¿Dónde está el papel?
is there a code?
Das paper. Das Pappenholding. I don't even know how you say that in German, but something.
That's paper.
Is it just paper? Motherfucker, I said it right the first time.
The paper's not over there, Bubby. Oh, I found it.
I got it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. No one copy that code, alright? We'll be changing it after this. Woo! Alright, no copyright strike.
Recipe for about 6 months. She just wasn't really interested in it.
She just wasn't really interested in it. Alright, so yeah, it's lit.
Bro, it's by the same fucking artist. Now I'm hot.
F your artist. Anyways, so the speakers are working, the head unit working, Josh blocking the way, but you know, that's not it's not mounted in yet, but you know, everything with time. The mosquitoes making my time miserable though, I gotta be honest. Josh's supposed to be doing an outro, but he ain't outroing. So I'm just talking right now to ramble and fill time. Oh, you gonna break that shit playing with it.
Alright. That power that I have it to is not ignition power.
Okay. Entonces.
The radio's gonna stay on.
Ah.
Whatever.
He's like, the battery dies, it dies.
Yeah, it's unplugged.
It's unplugged now.
Oh.
Alright.
Wait, I can't see you.
Cancel.
The light
Cancel
right behind you.
That's racist, bro. Now I look like a damn shadow. Hold on, I got you.
No, now you look good. Alright, now you look like a ghost. Whatever.
That's racist.
Man,
Anywho,
everything racist. F you. Just say the outro.
Man, listen. Got the radio on. It works. Just need to find a different power source because the power source that I picked is a 12 volt constant instead of a 12 volt ignition. So if I do that, radio's gonna stay on. So revisit that another day. But for now, we're done. We're also gonna get some better speakers because them things are hot garbage. They sound like, feel me, with all the spit flying everywhere. But we done. We out. You know what it is. Like the damn video.
Subscribe.
Tell Carlos thank you, even though he ugly.
Comment.
Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You heard the man.
Make us some money.